You asked me a question, how can I know what people think of me? Hello dear unique, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. How can I know what people think of me? You know, I think pay attention to body languages and, facial expressions. Yeah, it's so important. Non-verbal cues can reveal how someone feels about you. For example, smiles, eye contact, and open gestures usually indicate positive feelings, while crossed arms or avoiding eye contact might suggest, I think, discomfort or disinterest. You have to listen to their words and tone. The way people speak to you, including their words, their choice of words and tone can provide clues about their opinion about you or their perceptions, friendly, supportive, or not. If they choose beautiful words, and you can understand their tone, and then you can understand positive thoughts, or not. This is so important. Observe them. Observe every little thing. Observe their behaviors. Notice how people act around you, Are they eager to spend time with you? Do they seek, your opinions or your help? You can understand if you observe everything and someone and people. You can understand. It's so easy. These behaviors can indicate their level of interest and respect and how they feel about you. Are they like you or not? They want to be around you or not? They want to spend time with you or not? Observe their behavior. You can also ask for feedback. If you're comfortable directly asking trusted people or colleagues for honest feedback about yourself, can be very, revealing, frame your questions, positivity to you know, encourage openness. What else? Yeah, reflect on their reactions. Yeah, you know, think about how people respond to you in conversations and social settings. Consistent positive responses suggest good rapport, while negative or dismissive reactions, you know, might indicate issues. There are so many ways to get to know people. Just observe, pay attention. If you cannot feel and understand anything, you can use feedback from trusted people, your colleagues, anyone, not just one person, okay? You can consider social cues and context. So sometimes there are so many things, you know, it's not easy. You can just observe and take result for yourself and feel bad about yourself, you know. Sometimes cultural or situational factors influence behavior. So keep in your mind and watch people's behavior, their action, or your action, or their reactions. You know, there are so many ways. Just pay attention. Okay? Thank you. If you like my video, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel and write a comment for me. And always remember that you cannot take someone else's place, and no one can take your place, okay? So focus on yourself, on your energies. Go forward to achieve your dreams. Love you. Bye.